What is going on, YouTube? I hope everybody's doing well. I'm up a little over $1,000 across two Top Step accounts, 543 across these two accounts. This one got liquidated a little bit. We're not going to talk about that, but yeah, I just want to explain to you guys why I took the trade I did and what I was thinking at the time. You can see my executions right here. I entered 3 micros here. Took one off at this unfilled 1 minute gap, and then the rest off at this wick down here. It was a unfilled 5 minute gap that I was targeting, and we came down there pretty nicely. But yeah, coming over to trading view, I'm in replay mode. As you guys can see here, this is market open right here, and we're just in a pretty nice uptrend to start market open, to start New York open. And with this move right here, if you go to the 1 hour, we swept this this 1 hour high with the move off open. We swept this 1 hour high. We're respecting this this 1 hour fair value gap. Sorry, hold on. We're respecting a 30-minute fair value gap. We're respecting a 15-minute fair value gap. So we swept a higher time frame high, and we're also respecting all of these fair value gaps. So from this move higher, I was just expecting it to be a liquidity sweep to take us lower. With the move higher, we created this 5-minute gap that we did not fill on the way up. So after sweeping this high, I wanted to see price come back into this 5-minute fair value gap to either inverse it and go lower, or respect it and make a move higher. So what did I wait for? Again, this is the 1 hour high we just swept, and then as soon as we sweep the 1 hour high, we create a 1 minute fair value gap. Let me clear these drawings. We created this 1 minute fair value gap, and I wanted to see us inverse this gap, and if we got the inverse, I was going to enter off of the candle. And then what do you see here? Boom, we have a pretty strong candle inversing the fair value gap we just made. The reason why I was so confident in this trade is because it was a 4 candle inversion. You didn't see any, like, price didn't come into the gap and play around, sweep the high again, and then inverse it. We inversed it literally in 1 candle after creating the fair value gap. I entered as soon as this candle closed, stop loss above the high we just made. And like I said, I was targeting this unfilled 5-minute gap right here. So boom. Because we were in a nice uptrend, price could have very easily tapped into this gap and stopped me out. So I always play it smart. I'm a big fan of like trimming. So as soon as we got to this unfilled 1 minute gap, I was going to trim 1 contract and then move stop loss to break even. But let's just see how it plays out. Boom, we get our tap into the 1 minute fair value gap. As you can see, I did take 1 off at that candle there, and then I still had 2 I was holding into the 5-minute fair value gap, because like I said, 5-minute fair value gaps are strong. We could come down here and bounce up and you know, completely stop me out. I could have been greedy, had my take profit all the way down here, it wouldn't have hit. So I just like to personally target unfilled gaps more than I like to target like highs and lows, if that makes sense to you guys. But yeah, keeping it going. It came up, tapped into this 1 minute gap, and then that's what took us lower down into my target. Boom. And just like that, I was done for the day. Leaving replay mode, like if I was targeting this low here, like it wouldn't have hit. I would have gotten stopped out. So that's why I'm a big fan of targeting like unfilled gaps instead of like the highs and lows of moves. But this was an A plus setup in my opinion. I feel like it was a very clear short. So yeah, that's really it. I was looking for my liquidity sweep. We had delivery from a higher time frame, fair value gap, the 1 hour, 30 minute, and 15 minute. We got our 4 candle inversion, and we took it down to a unfilled 5-minute gap. I don't think it gets any more textbook than that. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please comment or DM me on Instagram. I have my Instagram linked in here. Please DM me. I will answer every single DM I get. If you need help trading, if you need help with your patience or your discipline, go to God. Pray to God. He would love to help you. You don't have to do this alone. Jesus loves you all. Thank you guys for watching.